The more I learn, the more I realize how much I don't know. Albert Einstein. This quote by Albert Einstein describes our universe aptly. Humans have spent millions of dollars exploring the cosmos. However, as much money and time we have spent to find out details about the galaxies in the universe, it is right to say that we have yet to scratch the surface. According to some scientists, the human mind cannot even begin to imagine the reality of the universe. Some even claim it to be infinite. Or we just do not have the resources to explore it right now. And who knows if we will ever find out. But some scientists have opposing views. For example, in 1888, Simon Newcomb said, "We are probably nearing the limit of all we can know about astronomy." To be real, at that time, it was only fair to claim that. Fast forward now to the world of endless possibilities. All thanks to the new and coming tech, humans have the capacity to explore so much more about the universe. With the help of intricate telescopes, the new astronomers claim that there is a lot that we do not know about our universe, and there are endless possibilities that can occur within the cosmos. We don't even know if there is perhaps another planet, Earth, in this universe. Or maybe, just maybe, there are more universes within this universe. Well, okay, we will stop. Let's get back to the topic. As of now, to explore the cosmos, scientists have sent telescopes like the James Webb telescope into the cosmos to find out more about the universe. And subsequently, the James telescope has sent back some intriguing and interesting images that have left the scientists confused. One such example is of the Schrodinger galaxy. But before we dive deep into the Schrodinger galaxy, let's explore how the James Webb Space Telescope works. James Webb Telescope is an ambitious project by NASA that conducts infrared astronomy. For example, whenever an object in the universe reflects infrared rays, the James Webb Telescope detects it. So far, the James Webb Telescope has done phenomenal work in terms of exploring the cosmos. But the most groundbreaking galaxy that caught the eyes of the people with the help of the James Webb Telescope was Schrodinger, a galaxy that is expected to break the laws of physics that we know so far. The research publicists claim that this galaxy will redefine the laws of physics for us, which is a groundbreaking revelation. What is it all about? Grab some popcorn as we will discuss what we know about the Schrodinger's galaxy. Recently, Rohan Naidu, an astrophysicist, and his teammates found a galaxy that is located at a distance of 30 billion light-years from the Milky Way in our universe. The team of Rohan Naidu made headlines because of their discovery of the Glass Z13 galaxy. But as soon as the team discovered this other galaxy, all the other discoveries faded away because of how magnificent this discovery ought to be. This candidate is labeled Sears 1749. The scientists mention how bright the galaxy appears to be in the images that the James Webb Telescope has sent back. Scientists claimed that it is one of the most brilliantly exceptional galaxies that they have come across, mainly because of the low absolute ultraviolet magnitude. The absolute ultraviolet magnitude is basically the brightness of an object in the universe when it is looked at from a distance of 10 parsecs. And when the luminosity of that object is high, the numerical value of the absolute ultraviolet magnitude will be lower. And after the research is confirmed, the scientists are expected to reveal that the galaxy was present in the universe after 220 million years after the Big Bang. So if do some quick math for an object that is 220 million years after the Big Bang, the scientists are astonished over the luminosity of the Schrodinger's galaxy. And not just that, the mass of this galaxy also raises several questions. The team that discovered this galaxy claims that the mass of the Schrodinger's galaxy is estimated at around 5 billion solar masses. Wait, let us explain. In layman terms, this galaxy's mass is 5 billion times of the mass of the Sun. Now, this is where the conflict begins. If we go by this information, then the principles of physics that explain star formation may fall flat. So, the scientists will have to get back to some work. What's in the name? Interestingly enough, the Schrodinger galaxy is named after an Austrian scientist named Erwin Schrodinger. He was a Nobel Prize winner who played a key role in developing a number of fundamental laws in quantum theory. Schrodinger was famously known for his work in statistical mechanics, thermodynamics, electrodynamics, general relativity, and cosmology. Therefore, the Schrodinger galaxy is named after the scientist due to his cosmology and general relativity expertise. But what is so fascinating about it? The most intriguing thing about the Schrodinger galaxy is that it could potentially be in two places. The Schrodinger galaxy can be the most distant galaxy we have ever discovered, or it could be just near the planet Earth. This is why scientists are so fascinated by it. However, we must dig deep to discover this galaxy's truth. But as of now, scientists are relying upon the redshift to define the laws of physics in accordance with the Schrodinger galaxy. It is because the redshift determines how far a galaxy lies within our universe. In simple terms, the light waves that are emitted from these galaxies get stretched over the length and appear redder. So the light from the Schrodinger galaxy that reaches the Earth will not be subjected to ultraviolet light. Rather, it will be reflected as a red spectrum. Therefore, the James Webb telescope would have to do more work to dig deep into the Schrodinger galaxy and its potential location. According to the current evidence, some scientists think that the Schrodinger galaxy might be 13.6 billion years away from Earth because of its redshift value. But we can't say for sure. However, since it's only been a few months since the team at Harvard discovered the galaxy, there is still a lack of evidence that can explain the location of the galaxy. But there's more drama here. George Zavala, an astrophysicist at Alma, Japan, and his teammates also took a shot in the game and came up with another interesting conclusion. According to this team, the Schrodinger galaxy is an imposter. That's right. This means that the galaxy is just a high redshift galaxy that is going through a rapid star formation, hence confusing the James Webb telescope into believing that it is located at such a huge distance. According to a tweet by Rohan Naidu, endless possibilities can play out in the future to define the true reality of the Schrodinger galaxy. He says in his tweet that this candidate can be anything like a model-defying early universe floodlight, the most distant quenched galaxy, or a really low-mass dusty system. But the true reality will only be discovered with time. However, just for reference, the Schrodinger galaxy has been named as a notably distant object in the cosmos. In the list, there are only a few other galaxies that have been confirmed. Therefore, in terms of exploring the cosmos and the universe, the Schrodinger galaxy is a landmark discovery. Now that we have explored the topic in some detail, what do you think the Schrodinger galaxy is? Drop your guesses down below in the comment section. Let us know what you would like to see in the future. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more such videos.